Grant here with FormatTeachers.com. In today's video, we're going to be talking about solving equations with variables on both sides. Now, we could spend hours talking about different ways to teach that, but I want to help you with one particular issue. What I see in my class is kids want to combine like terms, and that's a great thing. But when we have variables on both sides, sometimes they want to just combine them right here, 3x and 5x. You can't, of course, because there's an equal sign. You can't make this 8x. A lot of my kids want to do that. Well, then they ask the question, well, how do I know which one to move? And of course the answer is it doesn't matter. Move either one. But typically if they move the smaller one, it becomes easier math. If you move the 5x, if you minus that term over, you're going to get a negative 2x. If you minus the 3x over, you're going to get a positive 2x. It's easier if they move the smaller one. So here's an illustration that I give that really, I think, helps them think through which variable should I move over to the other side. Talk to them about two piles of dirt. I say, let's imagine that you had one pile of dirt that was 5 feet tall, real tall, okay? And the other pile of dirt was 3 feet tall. So there's a difference, right? And they're into it. Yeah, okay. I said, let's say some young man named Mr. Brown comes up and tells you, hey, I need you to take those two piles and put them into one pile. Now there's three options. Option number one, you could take both piles and move both of them to make one big pile. That would be silly. The second option would be, well, you could take the big pile and move it on top of the small pile. That'd be less silly than the first option because then you don't have to move one pile. But what's the best option? The best option is to take the small pile of dirt and to move that to the big pile. I let them think through that. Which pile would be the best one to move? What would be the smartest? What would be the least amount of work? And they'll say, move the small pile. I say, okay, that's exactly how you treat this. 3 foot tall, 5 foot tall pile of dirt. Which pile will you move first? I need to move the smaller one. And so sometimes in the middle of class, if they're struggling, I'll say, all right, we've got a big pile and a small pile. Which one? They say small pile. Which one's smaller, 3 or 5? 3. And that just gets them going, okay, I need to move this term over first. I minus the 3x over here, and then I can get going. Hopefully that helps. Moving the small pile.